out on the first proper rough weather sea trials for Thunder Child 2. So we're off Roach's Point, our usual spot doing our sea trial. We got some quite big waves here today.
So our first rough weather sea trials went very well. The hull displayed excellent seakeeping and stability. The seats were great, especially considering I have a cracked rib at the moment. They isolated me nicely from the hull's motions, which in fairness were very, very soft. The surface drive worked very well too, especially considering the slower speeds we were forced to do in the conditions.
And of course we had to try and get some good drone footage later. Hope you enjoy it.